All right, so here's an update on the transmission, the T56. The one thing I can find wrong with it is this one synchro blocker, right, is missing. It's right there. It's missing, and right here where my finger is, two missing off that. One there, one there. That's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 engagement teeth are missing on it. The one thing I could think of is maybe one of these pieces came off and then got stuck in the linkage and wouldn't let me pull it out of. Wouldn't let me pull it out of through these little gear sets here, the little keyways, but wouldn't let me pull it through those, or I had it locked up in that. But other than that, all these gears, fourth, first, I'm sorry, there's fourth. This is the counter shaft. I think this is third, second, fourth, first. All right. All these gears look fine. There's 5 and 6. There's nothing wrong with it. I didn't find any shavings or anything in there. And the casing, I've already cleaned it, but it didn't have any, like looking burnt stuff in the bottom of it either. But other than that, I couldn't find a problem with it. All right, all the blockers here are fine. They weren't locked in anything or out of place. By the time I got the casing off, the unit, it was no longer locked in fourth. So I don't know. But I'm currently waiting on another blocker ring set, because if I'm going to have it all the way apart, and I'm just replacing this. Is it this one? Yeah, I'm just replacing this one piece right here. And it's $300, over $300, because I had to buy the whole damn kit, because they don't sell just that one piece by itself. That's where I am on the transmission, just waiting for that to come in.